In this video, I'd like to give you a preview of WordPress 2.8. But before I do that, let me first state that this is 22 April 09. 2.8 hasn't been released yet, so I'm not recommending that you go out and upgrade to 2.8. And second, I'm not in any way affiliated with WordPress. I'm simply a user just like you, so this is not an official release notice or anything like that. It's just me, a user, downloading WordPress 2.8 and taking a look at it. And I think there are a couple of really major improvements in this version that is going to make a lot of people happy. So let me just give you a sneak peek here at those improvements. I'm going into Site Admin, and one of the major improvements in 2.8 is the ability to actually install themes now in the WordPress admin area. You've had for quite a while now the ability to install plugins, but now you can do themes pretty much the same way. When you upgrade to 2.8, whenever it's released stable and you decide to upgrade, you'll be able to click on Appearance, and now you'll see an Add New Themes link. So if you click Add New Themes, you'll get a search area here to search themes, similar to what you have in the plugins area now with 2.7. You can search with lots of different ways for themes. I'm just going to click on Featured. When you see a theme that you like, I happen to like I Know, for example, now you can either preview the theme or install. I'm just going to install and click Install Now, and that's it. Now I can either activate the theme or return to the installer. When you click on your themes link, now you'll see the theme installed. And once it's installed, then you can activate, preview, or delete it from here within WordPress. So this is going to make a lot of people happy because you're no longer going to need to FTP your themes to the site. A lot of people have problems properly installing and activating themes with the FTPing and so forth. So this is going to make it very simple. You simply find the theme that you like, click on the theme to activate it, and now you have a new theme in a matter of seconds. No reason to have to log into your hosting account, FTP your themes up, and so forth. This will allow you to install any theme through the search feature here that's on WordPress.org in the themes database. But also, it looks like if you have a theme zip file, even if you purchase a commercial theme that's not on WordPress.org, you can click Upload here and actually upload the theme zip file and install it through WordPress without having to FTP commercial theme. So you have a very easy way to search and install all of the GPL themes hosted on WordPress.org and upload and install any theme that's not on WordPress.org, such as commercial type themes. I've also done some testing here, and one thing that I was a little bit concerned about was once I install a theme, what happens if I reinstall that theme? So for example, if I've gone into my I Know theme here, go to the editor and do some editing, if I were to reinstall this theme when it's upgraded, am I going to lose my edits? And it looks like once you install a theme, if you go back to add a new theme in the future and you try to install the same theme, it's not going to let you do it. If I click to install I Know again, it's going to tell me the version is already installed, and it's not going to let me install that. And I tried uploading an older version here and then coming to install, and it actually gave me the install button, but it wouldn't let me install it because I already had iKnow installed. So the only way I could install a new version of iKnow was to delete the current version first. So it seems like there's a safety mechanism in there that's not going to allow you to overwrite a theme. You're not going to be able to install a theme over the top of an existing theme. So that's good. A lot of people have had trouble with the auto upgrade feature, that they've gone in and made changes to core files and then used auto upgrade and wiped out their changes. So it looks like that you're not going to be able to do that here on your themes. I think this is a cool feature. A lot of people who aren't really interested in all the technical aspects but just want to blog, this is going to be a nice way for you to try out all kinds of themes really easily. Now, another cool feature that it looks like has been incorporated is the redesign of the widget interface in the admin area. So if I click on Widgets now, I have the default theme selected. Click on Widgets. I'm going to make this a little bigger here. My screen's a little narrow. It looks like, and I'm just making an assumption here just from testing, but it looks like the widget interface now is going to detect the number of sidebars that your theme is using. So since we know the default theme only has one sidebar, it's only showing one sidebar here. And then I can click on the sidebar and either collapse it or leave it open. And then it's just a simple matter of dragging my widgets that I want to use into my sidebar and clicking Save. Now if I choose a theme that has more than one sidebar, such as the I Know theme, and then go back to widgets, it seems that the interface now is detecting that my theme has 4 sidebars instead of the 1. And so it allows me easily here to expand my sidebars and drag my widgets and title them, do whatever, edit them here and save a lot easier. Those of you that have used the widgets in the older versions or the current version knows that the widget interface is a little finicky as far as dragging them on and saving and so forth. But this one here seems to work really well. And we don't have the drop down here to select the number of sidebars. It seems to just be auto-detecting the number of sidebars. And there may be other things in here, but that I think that's a nice improvement there on the widgets interface as well. Now there are some other smaller changes in 2.8, but I think the major change in 2.8 that's going to really make it worth upgrading for the majority of people out there is this change here in the ability to add new themes from the admin area.